And welcome back. On my older videos where I built up my Sprinter, some people have seen this car at the background, so that's going to be my next project. It used to be a drift car, but the engine, as I heard, seized, so I need to replace the engine and do some other things too. I guess it will take more than one day. Oh well, let's get it on the trailer and to the garage. Should be enough now. Should be there. Yeah. All right, how do I get it out? Oh, what? Come on. I think this trailer had a winch, so maybe I can put it into use. Not sure will the bumper hit it or not. It does. But I think that bumper isn't even tightened up. Yeah. Let's go. Put behind crash bar. Seems like something is getting stuck. Maybe it's a catalytic converter. Yeah. Oh, after a long struggle I finally got it on. Looks kinda funky, but because the Sprinter's tow hitch is kinda high. But oh well. Let's roll. Oh, made it here. Well, it wasn't a long trip anyways, so let's get it in. I'm not sure how do I get it off because it goes low. I'm not sure if I should take it in so that the front goes this way, or well, let's figure out. Got it off now. Was much easier was much easier to get it off than on. Looks really dirty, I guess. I give it a clean before I take it in. Oh my god, that was a fight. It's difficult to do things alone, but I'm a guy who usually doesn't ask help, just want to see if I can manage alone. Alright, here it is. Here is the transmission and the new engine. It had a V6 4 liter. I'm still thinking about, do I keep it stock? It already had supercharger on it. So we'll see if I reinstall it and make it better. Already found the headlights, seats and other stuff that I need to take with me to the new hall. Alright, let's start packing. I think I need to get it inside the Sprinter. Yeah, so I have more space on the trailer for other stuff. Okay, I tried to reverse the Sprinter so that the engine goes directly inside it. We have enough clearance. Yeah. Okay, now I have to strap it up. Took some time, but finally got all the things out from the Sprinter. Actually, all what's left is the engine, so let's get a forklift and take it out. I think now I have all the Mustang parts here and need to start figuring out what's missing. I already inspected a little bit and I found there's no ABS sensor, some wires are broken. I don't know. Here's another wire broken. I hate electric stuff, so it's going to be a challenge. To make it street legal, I think I need to put some mufflers here. It has coilovers because it was a thrift car, and lowering springs. And I saw there were some other spring kits in those boxes. But yeah, we will see it in the next episode. I think that's enough for this one. I need to order some parts, so it will take some time. But yeah, that's the new Mustang project. I hope... well, it's an American car, so it's going to be a challenge here in Europe to get some parts. And I don't know, maybe I will need some help of the viewers who know sources where to get some parts. But yeah, I think that's all for this episode. Anyways, put a like down there and comment what you think about it. I like to read it. I'm still going to do Sprinter project, but this is small change beside it. But yeah, that's all for this episode. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!